Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So it's summer season now, and then we like wearing all colorful, bright colors, and you don't want to wear something which is really dark. And neon and all these colorful eyeshadows are like so in trend. So I thought I'll show you something really simple and like a nice bright eyeliner. So let's start. So guys, the first thing that you will need in this video is of course a white eyeliner or a kajal pencil. This is by Coloricon, and I'm just gonna take this eyeliner and make a nice thick winged liner. You don't need to be perfect or anything because you will put some eyeshadow on top of this. So a nice thick winged liner is what we need. If you don't want to do a wing liner, you can do this, but I like to be a little extra, so see, a nice wing liner. So we'll do the same thing on this eye as well. So this is the color that I'll be using, which is green. And you will need a brush like this. Let me show you. So this is a nice angled brush which you could use for your eyebrows. So this is really simple, okay? So just dust off the excess and then just press little. As you can see, this is green and this is white. Actually, this is also looking very good with this t-shirt, but I wanted to show you some nice fun colors. We could also like put some blue if you want. You want to try it? Let's do it. I'm just going to remove the extra color and then I'll take blue. You can do blue here maybe. Can you guys see that? I'll come close here. So guys, this is what it looks like. I added a bit of blue here. So the green will look a little darker here and then you have the light green. I think it looks really cool. So let's do the same thing on this side. So first is of course green. I will take green, apply it here. So this angled brush makes it really easy and simple. So I put green. Now I'll just add some blue on the inner corners. So I've done this. Now I'll take the same brush and put it here under the eyes as well. Just a little bit of color. And then I'm going to put my mascara now. So let's move on to the mascara. So the mascara that I'll be using today is by Benefit. It's their Bad Girl Bang. I really like this mascara. You can also use like Foxy's, but I don't think we need that right now. So I'm done with applying my mascara. You can put some more color under your eyelids here if you want more dramatic looks. So I'm going to just add a little bit of color. That's it. So guys, I hope you guys liked my look. It was really fun. I love playing with colors. So do try this. Let me know in the comment section below. And please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official. And I'll see you soon guys. Thank you so much. Bye.